Jobber's online booking tool can turn your website into a 24/7 booking system, which means customers can request work while you're asleep, on a job site, or off the clock. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to turn it on, connect it to your services, and make sure it actually sends you qualified leads instead of random requests. The setup starts inside Jobber's Client Hub settings. Log into Jobber on desktop, go to Settings, then Client Hub. That's where the online booking feature lives. If Client Hub isn't enabled, turn that on first. Online booking depends on it. Once it's active, go to Online Booking. This is where you build what customers can book. Start by choosing the services you want visible. Keep this tight. If you offer 10 services but only 3 are easy to estimate, list those 3 first. Things like lawn mowing, pressure washing, or basic cleaning work better than complex custom jobs. Next, set your service details. Add the service name, short description, and pricing style. If it's fixed price, put the exact amount. If pricing depends on the job, set it as request only so customers know they're asking for a quote, not locking in a final number. That keeps expectations clear. Now connect your availability. Jobber links online booking to your calendar. Choose your working hours, block days, and travel buffers. If your team works 8 to 5 but needs 30 minutes between jobs, build that in now. Otherwise, customers can book impossible time slots. After that, customize the intake form. Ask only what you need: name, phone, address, and job details. If you ask for too much, people drop off. If you ask for too little, you waste time calling back for basics. Then, publish it. Jobber gives you a booking link. Copy that into your website, Google Business Profile, emails, or even text messages. Before you send it live, test it yourself. Book a fake appointment, check if the notification comes through, and make sure it lands on the calendar correctly. This catches broken service settings fast. Quick recap. Turn on Client Hub, choose bookable services, set availability, customize the form, and test the full process. Your next step is simple. Set up one service today instead of your whole list. That gets you live faster and gives you real customer feedback before scaling it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Jobber tutorials and setup guides.